Now that I've got the seats glued in, I can do the Carlins. I couldn't do them before because it would have been a real pain in the butt to get the fillets and the fiberglass in there. But now that they're done, we can move on to those. Dry fit the Carlins. You can see I've done the same butt joint technique a few more times. Now that I've got the gunnels and Carlins glued in, it's time to sand them down and bevel them to their final shape. They're all laminated and glued in. You can see here that the gunnels are angled in such a way that they are perpendicular to the upper plank, but they need to follow this line here. It'll be flat all the way along that line, and the top of the gunnel will be parallel with that. This is to allow the side deck piece to sit flush on top of there and not stick up, or well, it wouldn't even really work at all. To sand all these down, get them nice and smooth, then get the plane out and put a bevel on here.